Hello everyone, welcome to Brilliant Public School online edu classes. Today we are going to start with class 9th Geography, chapter number 2, that is Physical Features of India. India is a vast country with land of varied topography. It has all the major physical features of the earth, that is, mountains, plateaus, plains, deserts, and islands. Have you ever thought about the causes of these variations? Most of these variations are caused due to difference in the rock formation. Earth scientists have attempted to explain the formation of physical features with the help of some theories based on certain evidences. One such plausible theory is the theory of plate tectonic. So, in this chapter, we are going to discuss all about the theory of plate tectonics and even the physical features of India. So, it's going to be a very big chapter. So, we are going to divide this chapter in two parts. In part 1, we are going to study about the theory of plate tectonics. In part 2, we will start with the major physiographic divisions like the Himalayan mountains, the northern plains, the peninsular plateau, the Indian desert, the coastal plains and the islands. These all 6 physical features make India different from other countries. So, let's get started with the part 1, theory of plate tectonic. India is a large landmass formed during different geological periods which has influenced her reliefs. Besides geological formation, a number of processes have created and modified the relief to the present form. These are external force and internal force. External force like weathering, erosion and deposition. Internal force, which can also be understood as tectonic movements. So let us know what are external force. First, weathering. Weathering basically means the breaking down and alteration of rocks on the earth due to the exposure to the atmosphere. Second, erosion. Erosion you have studied in class 6th. Erosion is a process of wearing away of the landscape by different agents such as wind, water, ice, etc. Third is deposition. Transportation and deposition of weathered materials through wind and water. Internal forces, also known as tectonic movement. According to the theory of plate tectonic, Earth's outermost layer is broken into 7 major and 7 minor rigid pieces called as plates, and these plates are continuously moving in different directions and at a different speed. As you can see in this map of the world, this all different countries, they are joined with each other through the different plates like Indo-Australian plate, Eurasian plate, Philippine plate, John de Fuca plate, North American plate, Cocos plate, Pacific plate, Antarctic plate, Caribbean plate, South American plate. Let's learn types of plate movements. The movement of the plates results in building up of stresses within the plates and the continental rocks above, leading to folding, faulting and volcanic activity. Broadly, these plate movements are classified into 3 types. While some plates come towards each other and form convergent boundary, some they move away from each other and form divergent boundary. In the event of two plates coming together, they may either collide and crumble, or one may slide under the other. At times, they may also horizontally pass each other and form transform boundary. The movement of these plates have changed the position and size of the continents over millions of years. Such movements have also influenced the evolution of the present landform features of India. Mountains and volcanoes are often found when plates converge. Oceans grow wider when the plates diverge. On land, a rift or separation arises. Most transform faults are found on ocean floors, produce zigzag plate margins generally defined by shallow earthquakes, and few occur on land. There was a time when this world was actually one big supercontinent named as Pangaea. Now let me tell you what is Pangaea. Earth we see at present, it didn't look like as it is before 240 million years ago. It didn't have 7 continents. What do you mean by Pangaea? Pangaea means a land surrounded by water. That was named as single ocean or a supercontinent named as Panthalassa. So, why this one huge landmass broken into small pieces? Can anyone tell me? Okay, the correct answer is continental drift. This theory was proposed by a scientist named as Alfred Wegener in the year 1912. There are so many similarities between the two continents. For example, America and Africa. South America and Africa contains fossils of animals like Mesosaurus. This continent drift occurred because of the theory of plate tectonics. But the question is, what are this theory of plate tectonics and what causes the continent to drift apart? Deep inside the Earth's surface, deepest layer of the planet known as the core, where it is as hot as the surface of the burning sun. This center of the Earth is surrounded by mantle, which is covered by the crust, and the surface at which we live. The crust is not a single solid land. It is broken into many pieces because of tectonic plates. Crust is continuously moving rate of about 10 centimeters per year in the process called plate tectonics. This motion occurs on the top 2 layers of the earth, the lithosphere and the asthenosphere. The speed of the movement on which these tectonic plates move is influenced by the temperature and pressure of the asthenosphere below. Although the scientific community is still trying to figure out the driving force behind this movement, we surely know these tectonic plates move in different ways and they are responsible for the fragments, the small fragments of these boundaries that have created the world what we know today. I hope now you have understood the theory of plate tectonic. With this, we end our first part of physical features of India. I know you would be curious enough to know about the major physiographic divisions. So, wait and watch part 2 of physical features of India. Till the time, bye bye everyone. Take care and have a great day.